Go. We're recording. It is Christmas Eve and Shyla is opening up one of her presents. Big presents that she received at the door from I don't know who. It's a mystery.
It's a big.
And Iliana is helping her friend.
There you go.
There's Mom, Craig. Hey, say hey.
Here we go.
All right. Okay. What is it?
Oh my God! It's a Chucky doll.
Oh my God! What?
Oh, it's a Chucky doll.
Are you serious?
What?
Oh my God! Are you serious? It's a Chucky doll? No way! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh shit!
Oh my God!
He's been in here this whole time?
Oh my God, Shyla!
He's been in here.
Okay.
He's been in here this whole time.
Leave me alone! No!
He's been in here this.
Throw it away!
He's been in here this whole time.
Throw it away, Mom!
Can you believe that?
No!
No, go back. Come on. We'll protect you. Come on, go.
Oh, I don't want to. I want to go. I want to go.
You got.
What are we gonna do with this thing?
You guys, come on.
Shyla!
Come on. It's okay. It's okay.
It's a good Daddy. It's a good guys. No.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna go try to do something.
We got it. Shyla, it's okay.
That's classic.
It's a puppet.
That's fucking classic. Oh my. Mom. She's fucking freaked out.
Shyla! What's going on with this fucking Chucky doll?
She is fucking
Shyla, come here!
freaked out. She's outside the door saying, and then Iliana's like, I want to go home.
It's so
I want to go home.
Shyla!
Whoa.
Where's she?
Ah.
Where's she at? Where's she at?
I don't know. Let me go see.
Oh, fuck.
Are you okay?
No.
You guys okay?
No.
Shit.
I can't believe that somebody delivered a Chucky to us.
Mommy, throw it away in the dumpster.
Okay, look, we'll throw it away, okay?
Please.
Listen, we'll throw it away, okay?
I want to go downstairs. I want to go to the party. I want to go to the party. We really want to go to the party. Oh, Mommy, I don't want to die yet. Mom.
Honey, don't worry. You're not gonna die.
No, just a hug.
It's okay.
Oh, my God. It's coming. It's coming.
Holy shit.
What happened? No. I think this is getting too far.
Shyla!
Mom, she's freaking out. Shyla? It's okay.
Merry Christmas.
It's okay. It's okay. Mom, take him away. Take him away. Shh, it's okay. It's okay. All right.
Can we go to the